A big thing that I wanted to say to all the females out there is make sure that you follow your dreams. Hello, I'm Alexis Wahle. I'm here at Pitt, and all I got at Pitt is I was in this NCSA app, and I had a bunch of colleges that were trying to recruit me for softball. So I did a bunch of research on the colleges that were here in North Carolina because I know I want to stay close to home. And I ended up getting a message from the coach here at Pitt, and I came here and I had a meeting with her, and I got to talk about the welding program and the softball program here at Pitt. And I ended up finding out that I'd be able to get my full welding degree in about 2.5 years. And the college coach here told me about the softball program, and she ended up offering me a full ride scholarship here to come play. On my way home, I didn't have no hesitation about wanting to come here, so I decided that Pitt was the right fit for me. My father always told me to never say that you can't do something, that the brain is the most powerful thing in the body, and if you say you can't do something, that you're selling yourself short. Make sure that you say you can do stuff, because if you do that, you will see the more opportunities and the stuff that you're capable of doing. And if you're passionate about something, that just helps